In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Blink camera to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To set up and use Wi-Fi alongside your Blink camera, you must connect it to the Blink Home app. So download the Blink application from the Play Store or the App Store, depending on whether you are using an iOS or Android device. And once you are inside of the app, tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to add a new device. So usually you will have to add a sync module first. So start with sync module if you have a wireless camera. So to begin, tap on sync module. They are going to ask you to scan the QR code printed in the device in the quick start guide, or you can manually enter the serial number. So choose whichever option you prefer. If you cannot find the QR code, you can double check the manual or look for reference images on Google. Once you have the serial code entered, either manually or by scanning the QR code using your camera, it is going to be detected. So choose a system. Now, you will have to create systems if you don't have one. Once you create a new system, you can give it a name and it will be added onto that cluster of devices, which is the system. Now, in the front of your device, you should have two lights. One of them will be blinking and the other one will be steady green. If it is indeed blinking, use the option Discover Device. So, as you can see, plug in your sync module and wait for the lights to display. If they don't display, follow the instructions here by holding the reset button, or you can use this help option at the bottom. But as long as the lights are blinking and you tap on Discover Device, the sync module will now be added. Now you repeat the same steps but with the camera instead. So you tap on the plus sign, and instead of choosing sync module, which is already connected, you tap wireless cameras, mini camera, wired floodlight camera, video doorbell, whatever it is that you have. Then follow the instructions on screen. Most likely, it will be the same setup process, either scanning a QR code or manually enter the serial. And after you do this, it is going to be assigned into the application alongside your sync module. So it is going to go into one of the systems that you created alongside the sync module and the device itself. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.